In this video, I will show you how to fix black desktop wallpaper in Windows 10. So firstly guys, click on settings and in settings guys you will see the option ease of access. So click on ease of access, then click on display, and in the last option you will see display image. I'm using Windows 11, so that feature is not available in Windows 11, but in Windows 10 in just 3 steps you can fix black desktop wallpaper problem. Click on settings, ease of access, display, and turn on show Windows background image. Thanks for watching and comment this video work for you or not.